What's the meaning of blue sky? Blue sky. Blue sky.
Blue sky. Blue sky. The term blue sky is typically used to describe a situation or idea that is unorthodox, innovative, or outside the norm. It often refers to an approach that is not bound by traditional constraints or limitations, but instead encourages creativity and free thinking. The origins of the term can be traced back to the concept of blue sky thinking, which was popularized by advertising executives in the 1980s as a means to encourage unconventional ideas and strategies. Today, the term has come to represent a way of thinking that is forward-looking, optimistic, and open to new possibilities, often used in industries such as technology, finance, and creative arts.